Hello student, I hope all are safe and healthy. Good evening students. Standard 7. Subject GK. Let's see second lesson, language, literature, arts and entertainment. Language, literature, arts and entertainment. Let's see abbreviation and acronym. A question, write the acronym for the following groups of words. First question, annual confidence report. Answer is ACR. Second one, Assistant Commissioner of Police. Answer is ACP. Third, All India Institute of Medical Science. Answer is AIIMS. Fourth one, Chief of Army Staff. Answer is CAS. Fifth one, Border Road Organization. Answer is BRO. Sixth one, Central Bureau of Investigation. Answer is CBI. Seventh one, Child Relief and You. Answer is CRY. Eighth, Desktop Publishing. Answer is DTP. Ninth one, Electronic Mailing. Answer is email. Tenth one, Electrocardiogram. Answer is ECG. Eleventh one, Frequency Modulation. Answer is FM. 12th one, General Headquarters. Answer is GHO. 13th, Incentive Care Unit. Answer is ICU. 14th one, Intercontinental Ballistic Missile. Answer is ICBM. 15th one, Liquefied Petroleum Gas. Answer is LPG. Student, 15th question is finished. 16th one, Multinational Cooperation. Answer is MNC. 17th one, Goods and Services Tax. India. India. Answer is GST. 18th one, No Objection Certificate. Answer is NOC. 19th, National Talent Search Examination. Answer is NTSF. 20, Other Backward Classes. Answer is OBC. 21, All correct. Answer is easy. Okay. 22, Permanent Account Number. Answer is PAN. 23rd, Postal Index Number. Answer is PIN. 24, Resolution Against Cancellation. Answer is RAC. 25, Reserve Bank of India. Answer is RBI. 26, Right to Information. Answer is RTI. 27, short message service. 27. Short message service. Answer is SMS. Answer is SMS. 28. Terrorist destructive activities. In bracket, Prevention Act. Answer is TADA. Answer is TADA. 29. Question is United Liberation Front of Assam. Answer is ULFA. Answer is ULFA. Student, this is the last question is 30. Voluntary retirement same. Answer is VRS. Answer is VRS. Understood, student? This is a second question. Page number 20. Page number 20. Second question. B question. Match the following abbreviation with their full form. Okay. So let's see. First word ASST. Answer is assistant. Assistant spelling is ASSITANT. Second question BRIG. Answer is brigadier. And spelling is BRIGADIER. Third BROS. Answer is brothers. Spelling is BROTHERS. Fourth one CL. Answer is class. Spelling is CLASS. Fifth one CU. Answer is quips. CUBIC. Sixth one DOZ. Answer is dozen. DOZEN. Seventh one ENG. Meaning English. Answer is spelling is ENGLISH. Eighth one FEB. February. Spelling is FEBRUARY. Ninth one G. Answer is acceleration due to gravity and gram. ACCELERATION. DUE. TO2 gravity. GRAVITY. Gram GRAM. 10th one HON. Answer is honorable. HONOURABLE. 11th one KM. Kilometers. KILOMETRE. 12th one LB. Answer is pound. POUND. 13 MR. Answer is Mr. MISTR. 14 MISE. Answer is miscellaneous. MISCELLANEOUS. 15th one NOV. November. NOVEMBR. 16th one PR. Principal. PRINCIPAL. 71 PVT. Answer is private. PRAVAT. 18th one SQ. Square. SQUARE. 9th one SR. Senior. SENIOR. 20 UNIV. University. UNIVERSITY. Okay. Up. Let's see. Third question. Books and author. Match the name of following books to the author. Page number 20. Okay. So first one, I read the A group and then tell the answer. A Tale of Two Cities. Answer is Charles Dickens. Second one, A Farewell to Arm. Answer is Ernest Hemingway. Third one, The Ascent of Everest. Answer is Sir John Hunt. Fourth, Villiers Travels. Answer is John Hunt Swift. Fifth one, The Discovery of India. Answer is Jawaharlal Nehru. Sixth one, Goal. Answer is Dhyan Chand. Seventh one, Hamlet. Answer is William Shakespeare. Let's see page number 21. Same book's name and author. I read the first book name and then give the answer. John Eyre. Answer is Charlotte Brontë. Ninth one, Kidnap. Answer is R.L. Stevens. 10th one, Madhushala. Answer is Harivansh Rai Bachchan. 11th one, The Count of Monte Cristo. Answer is Alexander Dumas. 12th one, Manchester of Kumon. Answer is Jim Corbett. 13. Mahabharat. Answer is Ved Vyas. 14th one, The Story of My Experiments with Truth. Answer is Mahatma Gandhi. 15th one, The Adventures of Tom Sawyer. Answer is Mark Twain. 16th one, The Guide. Answer is R.K. Narayan. 17th one, On the Origin of Space. Answer is Charles Darwin. 18th one, Harry Potter and Goblet of Fire. Answer is J.K. Rowling. 19th one, Meghdoot. Answer is Kalidas. 21, Peter Pan. Answer is James Borey. So, students, understood? What we'll see? The first question is acronym. The first question is words acronym. Second question is words abbreviations. And third question is books and authors. Okay, so let us understood. Thank you, students. Be safe and take care.